Okay, are you ready? Okay, so now we're gonna put on the headphones like all the big boys do. Okay, are you a big boy? Yeah, how old are you? Ooh, 3, such a big boy. Okay, let's put the headphones on. And now we're gonna listen with our blocks. You hold this, okay? Let me have your hand. And you listen for a funny birdie. When the birdie comes, you throw it in. Did the birdie come?
Yeah.
Was it a big one or a little one?
A little one.
Oh, listen again. That was so nice. More. You are doing such a great job. Can you say I did a great job?
Yes, great job.
Very nice.